Hello learner, today let us look at this question where we are told that a perpendicular line is drawn from a point 1, 2 to the line 3y plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then you are told to find the equation of the perpendicular in the form ay plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So learner, you should remember that if this line is perpendicular to this one, the line is perpendicular to this one, then it means that when you multiply their gradients, you'll get -1. Okay, learner? When you multiply their gradients, you'll get -1. So what is the gradient of this line? So the gradient of this line will be, we have 3y plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So we take the 2x and 1 on this side. So we'll have 3y is equals to minus 2x minus 1. Okay, learner? So we want to be left with y alone on this side. With y alone on this side, so we divide by 3. And we divide here by 3 and here by 3. So our y will be minus 2 over 3x, then minus 1 over 3. So the gradient of this line is the coefficient of x. So the gradient will be -2 over 3. That is the gradient of that line. Okay, learner? So now we have the gradient 1. So that means we can get gradient 2. We have, when you multiply gradient 1 with gradient 2, you should get -1 for perpendicular lines. So we have this one as our gradient 1. So we have -2 out of 3 multiplied by m2 is equals to -1. Okay, learner? So we want to be left with m2 only on this side. So we multiply by the reciprocal. That will be -3 over 2. And here by -3 over 2. So this one will cancel. So we'll have m2 as, our m2 will be 3 over 2. That is our gradient 2 for the perpendicular line now, learner. So this being our gradient 2, remember we have one point of the line. So we have the gradient as 3 over 2 and we have the point as 1, 2. So that means we can find the equation of the perpendicular line. So the equation, we have the change in y divided by the change in x. So this one will be y minus 2 divided by x minus 1 is equals to 3 over 2. Okay, learner? So we multiply both sides by x minus 1 on this side, and on this side we multiply by x minus 1. So this one will cancel out. This side will be left with y minus 2 is equals to 3 over 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So we remove the brackets. Our y minus 2 will be 3 over 2x minus 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2 multiplied by x, this one will be 3 over 2x, then 3 over 2 multiplied by 1, this one will be 3 over 2. So we take our -2 on this side, like terms together. So we'll have y is equals to 3 out of 2x, then this one will be plus 2 now, learner. This one will be plus 2. So we'll have -3 over 2 plus 2. So our y will be 3 over 2x, then plus a half. 2 minus 3 over 2, this one will be a half. Okay, learner? So we are told to give the equation in form of ay plus bx plus c. So here we have y over 1. So we multiply by 2 here, by 2 here, and by 2. The LCM of 1, 2, and 2 is 2. So we'll have 2y is equals to 3x, then this one will cancel, plus 1. Okay, learner? So we take this ones on this side. So this will be 2y minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. So our AY is 2, our A is 2, then our B is negative 3, and our C is negative 1, learner. And now we have given the equation in this form.